Cutie Waffles.
Hi! Welcome to Hello Kitty's Nail Salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll earn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge and match this? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's Nail Salon, you can become the best nail designer you can possibly be. Welcome to Hello Kitty Nail Salon. Are you ready for a challenge and match this? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. Change the background style and look carefully at the manicure and choose the same nail polish color. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. Perfect! Can you pick out the matching pattern for your manicure? Looking good! All that's left is to match the stickers and gems. Make sure to place them carefully on your nails. Use two fingers. Super cute! I love it! On to the next nail. Super cute! Looking good! Add the matching character to your nail. Looking good! Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. How about trying something else? That's the way! Super cute! That's the way! I love it! On to the next nail. Great choice! Great choice! Looking good! Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. Are you sure you want to use that? That's the way! How about trying something else? Looking good! Great choice! Amazing! That cute star is for you because your manicure is perfect! Take a photo of your hand or use a model's hand for your manicure. You're a great nail designer! You earned the Cute Star! This manicure has been saved in your album! Congratulations! You're a talented nail designer! Looking good! Perfect! Perfect! Gorgeous! Let's keep going! Perfect! Great choice! Perfect! Is there something else you could use? That's the way! Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. That's the way! Looking good! That's the way! Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. That's the way! That's the way! Super cute! Super cute! I love it! On to the next nail. That's the way! How about trying something else? Perfect! Is there something else you could use? Perfect! Amazing! That Cute Star is for you because your manicure is perfect! Take a photo of your hand or use a model's hand for your manicure. Take a photo of your hand or use a model's hand for your manicure. You're a great nail designer! You earned the Cute Star! This manicure has been saved in your album! Congratulations! You're now a top 50 nail designer! Great choice! Great choice! Super cute! Perfect! Gorgeous! Let's keep going! Is there something else you could use? Looking good! Super cute! Perfect! Great choice! Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. Looking good! That's the way! That's the way! Perfect! Gorgeous! Let's keep going! Great choice! Looking good! Super cute! That's the way! Gorgeous! Let's keep going! Perfect! Super cute! Looking good! Looking good! Amazing! That cute star is for you because your manicure is perfect. Take a photo of your hand, or you're a great nail designer. You earned the cute star. This manicure has been saved in your album. Congratulations! You are a renowned nail designer.